Way Good Granola. This is one of my favorite breakfast recipes and it works excellent for meal prep. Once you're done with this, you can have it on your own, you can have it with milk, or you can have it with Greek yogurt topped with a little bit of berries. So a lot of variations there, but they're all very convenient. Now let's go over how to make the recipe. First, you're gonna go ahead and preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, in a small pot, combine your peanut butter, coconut oil, and syrup. Cook that on medium-low heat for about 3 minutes. You're gonna wanna stir it pretty frequently. Go ahead and turn off the heat, add your protein powder and cocoa, and then stir it some more. You want it a really nice batter. Go ahead and put your oats in a separate bowl and then pour the mixture over them. Stir really, really well. Once you're finished with that, transfer it onto a baking sheet and spread everything evenly. Go ahead and put it in your oven and bake for about 15 minutes. Try and check it about every 5 minutes as you don't want it to burn. And these can burn pretty easy depending on the oven, so just keep a close eye for that 15-minute duration. Once the 15 minutes are over, take it out, go ahead and let it cool off, and then this is where it gets fun. Crumble it over the Greek yogurt, put it with some milk, or just eat it on its own. This is one of my absolute favorites, and this is a 5-day supply worth of it, as with all the recipes I'll be making. So as you can see, here's the calories and macros for the individual meal. We got you taken care of. So breakfast is out of the way. I'm feeling pretty good so far. It's tasty. I'll see you again soon for my lunch.